was an astronaut, I'd be floating in midair, and a broken heart would just belong to someone else down there. I would be the center of my lonely universe, but I'm only human, and I'm crashing down to earth. If I was an astronaut, I'd have a bird's eye view. I'd circle around the world and keep on coming back to you. In my floating castle, I'd rub shoulders with the stars, but I'm only human, and I'm drifting in the dark. Speak to satellites. My navigation systems would search for other life, but I'd be up and thinking about what I left behind, 'cause I'm only
passengers and welcome on board on this Wizz Air flight to London, Luton. It's a great pleasure to welcome our frequent flights as well as our Wizz London points to those of you traveling with us for the very first time. Before you take your seat, please place more items including handbags and backpacks underneath the seat in front of you, and only large trolley bags in the back compartment. Please ensure that the number of the emergency exit areas. Only if you are sitting on emergency row, which are 1, 18, 19 and 29, we can ask you to place all your belongings in the away compartment for takeoff and landing, leaving the floor clear of any belongings. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight.
My colleagues, senior pursuit and assuring your safety and comfort. In the cabin are Roxana and the rest of the crew, and they'll shortly be introducing themselves. We have an air traffic slot this evening, so if things don't change, we're going to be on stand for approximately 45 minutes. We have got you on board. However, told air traffic we're ready to go, so sometimes this helps, but if things don't change, we'll be here for 45 minutes, and then we'll be on our way. Flying time is 2 hours 40 minutes. We're expecting smooth flying conditions. It isn't a bad evening in Luton. Some rain showers forecast. Temperature there is currently 15 degrees. That's all from me for the time being. We'd like you to sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Cabin crew doors in flight and cross check please. exits are behind the wings and 2 exits are at the rear. In the event of an evacuation, it is important to leave your luggage and follow the floor path marking which will guide you to the emergency exits. Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest to you, keeping in mind that it might be behind you. Now we are going to show you how to use the seatbelts. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together and tighten it by pulling the loose end. To unfasten, leave the cover of the buckle. Now we are going to show you how to use the oxygen mask and how to put on the life vest. The oxygen masks are located in the panel above your head. In case of loss of cabin pressure, the oxygen masks are automatically released. When released, pull the nearest mask towards you. This will activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure the strap, and breathe normally. After putting on your own mask, please help anyone who might need your assistance. Your life vest is located under your seat in a sealed bag. Do not remove it unless otherwise instructed. Remove the life vest from the pouch and pull it over your head. Attach the strap to the hook in front and pull it tight. When leaving the aircraft, pull firmly on the red handle for the life vest to inflate. The life vest can also be inflated by blowing into this tube. The infant's life vest shall be inflated while inside the aircraft. For further information, you will find a safety instruction card in a seat pocket in front of you, which contains the important safety features of this aircraft and its safety and emergency equipment. Thank you for your attention and thank you, cabin crew.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we start our pushback, we kindly ask you to return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt close to the tray table with the arms down and open the window blind. Thank you for attention.
Okay.
Bus helmets wear and passing AIRBUS turbulences. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. And this one lavatory will be out of use. Thank you for attention.
Dear passengers, welcome to London Luton Airport when the local time is 5 minutes to midnight. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign will be switched on for you. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as item may fall out causing injuries, and check your seat pockets for any personal belongings that you might have brought on board with you today. Please keep your electronic devices into the fly mode until we open the aircraft's door, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you reach the designated areas outside of the terminal building. Captain Leslie, First Officer Moore, and the entire crew, thank you for choosing Wizz Air, and we look forward to having you on board again soon. We wish you a pleasant stay, and for those of you on your return journey, we'd like to welcome you home. Dear passengers, once again we would like to apologize for this delay and any inconvenience caused. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your evening.
Black holes, nothing but space, man. And I wanna go home.